Hello and welcome to the Shilpa Shetty channel, and this is the art of loving food. Quinoa is slowly becoming a favorite in every healthy Indian kitchen. और आज की रेसिपी इस power packed food से बनाएंगे हम. I don't know if many people know, but quinoa is neither a cereal nor is it a grain. It is actually a seed. इसे हम बनाएंगे Nutrilite-Garlic Oregano के साथ, जिसमें है 0% cholesterol and is rich in omega-3, which is good for your heart, brain and eyes. So let's start with making our Veg Cheesy Quinoa. 1 teaspoon of garlic oregano Nutrilite. Add in a tablespoon of garlic. Saute it. Once the garlic has browned, you add 1 medium onion. You can add a bit more of the Nutrilite to fry the onions. The onions have turned brown. Now you add in your quinoa, a cup of quinoa, and this is vegetable stock in 3.5 cups of water. So 1 cup of quinoa and 3.5 cups of veg stock. Add 1.5 teaspoons of salt. Please check if your stock cube has sodium already. If it doesn't, then you add in the salt. Now let it cook on a medium gas for around 20 to 25 minutes. Quinoa को पकने देते हैं and we get started with our vegetables. 1 teaspoon of Nutrilite-Garlic Oregano. We add the remaining garlic. Add the mushrooms and saute. Now you add in your steamed broccoli, beans, and peppers. So your veggies are all cooked. You add in the salt. I'm using pink Himalayan salt. Add some pepper. Now you shift your quinoa that is cooking back on this gas. And you add your vegetables into it. And you take a few leaves of basil. That will really bring out the flavor. You let it cook, and in another 10 minutes, we will add in the cheese. Oh my God, this smells so good. Add 1.5 teaspoons of Italian herbs. Quinoa actually has no taste, it's really bland, so you have to add a lot of flavors to make it a hero. At this point, you add in the cheese. I love the flavor of the parmesan cheese in this dish because it makes it taste very like a risotto, but a healthy risotto. So just blend it all in. Oh wow, fantastic. And our quinoa is ready. You have to make sure that there's no water. Serve it. I can't tell you how good this smells. Fab. Just take some parsley. I'm going to garnish it with a little more parmesan, but if you're not a fan of cheese, you can eat it just like that. If you don't want to use cheese in it, even that is fine, but I just think it packs a punch when you add the cheese. Oh my God, that smells divine. This is turned out perfectly well. It is tasty and healthy. If you want to add chicken, you can do that. You can add chicken broth as well. Just make sure you add the chicken pieces while you are sauteing the veggies. So do try this dish. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Tab tak ke liye, swasth raho, mast raho.